Once you finish, we'll start our session. Children, come on, write fast. What, Rohita? Have any doubt?
M రాయమంటే W రాస్తుంది మ్యామ్ రివర్స్.
Ulta. Up, down like this. Okay? Like mountain. It will look like mountain. Vidyut, what are you writing? Come on, show me. Till what you have written. Ashni, finish, huh?
Finish.
Yeah. Good. Why is that? Very good, Ashni. Give her 2 stars, Ashni's dad.
Sure, ma'am.
Very good, Ashni.
He's slowly writing, ma'am.
Okay, let him write slowly. Whatever he's writing, let him write. I just want to see how he is writing. That's it.
Can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay.
Till F he has written, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ritvik. Children, 5 more minutes left. Come on. Very good, Danvin. Good, Danvin. Marking you, Danvin. Very good. Danvin's mom, give him 2 stars.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, check and give him 2 stars. Very good, Danvin. Yes?
Have to write A, B, C, D, ma'am.
Yeah, A to Z, capital letters and small letters we have to write. But there is no time. We are going to start our session, no? So I didn't tell Ritvik to do.
Okay.
Okay. Only 5 more minutes left. I am going to start the session now. Finish. Karthikeyan writing. Dev Krish.
Still J.
Till J. Okay.
Till J.
Okay,
I have
right.
written, ma'am.
Okay, right.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma. Yes, Nitila. Not able to see you, Nitila.
Video is not working, ma'am.
Video is not working, huh? She is writing.
Yes,
Till
ma'am.
what she has written?
Capital A to Z.
Z she has written, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Then we'll start with small letters, Nitila's mom. From
Okay,
Monday we'll start.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very good, Nitila. Give her 2 stars. I'll mark her name.
Okay, ma'am.
Good, Nitila. Very good.
Did I have kit, ma'am? Book kit.
Sorry? She
Nitila
got the
have-
kit, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. You can try doing those worksheets from book 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubts, you can call me.
Okay, ma'am.
Or you can see the videos posted.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Vivan, finish. Correct, huh? Vivan's mom?
Almost, ma'am. Still the line discipline is problem.
Yeah. That they'll get it. Yeah, good, Vivan. Very good, Vivan. Give Vivan 2 stars, Vivan's mom. Very good. He himself called me and said I finished. Very good. Thank you, Vivan. Very good. Get 2 stars. You want stars or smiley? What do you want?
Star or smiley?
Star or smiley?
100.
Huh?
You want 100 stars?
100 stars. Hand will pain for your mama only, not for me.
I just need to write 100 and put a star.
You write 100 and give him 1 star. That is enough. Yes, ma?
Yes.
Dev Krish writing. Okay, good. Naitik finish, huh? Naitik Darshika. Writing, Come on, time up, Naitik. Finish, Till K only I have written. See the line, Naitik. You have to have control in writing, Naitik. See the line, follow the line and write. That's what I made you to write today. Come on, follow the line. Red line to blue line. That's it. Not the red line to red line. It's wrong. Good morning, Zadi. Okay. Children, who is going to say Kidzi anthem today? Vishank is there? Vishank? Vishank is there, huh? No. Okay, who is going to say Kidzi anthem, children, today? Yes? Anyone new?
Ashini.
Ashini, you already told. Tarnika said. Hashini said. Then Steady also said, I think. Who will say today? Let me see. Pranita, finish, huh? Very good, Pranita. Who is next to you, Pranita? Give them the notebook. Let them give you 2 stars. Okay? Who is near you? Your grandma or your grandpa?
Grandma.
Okay, give it to your grandpa. He will give you 2 stars. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Very good, Pranita. Okay, children, we'll start our session. Keep the notebook aside. Okay? After we finish the worksheets, we'll have time, right? At that time, you continue writing. Okay? Yes, finish, Kavyani. Both, capital letters and small letters. I'm not able to see, ma. Is this the way you write, ma? You have to draw lines and write, or else you have to write in a straight line. What is this, Kavyani? Okay, afterwards you will write neatly and show me. Okay? But good, you have written. But afterwards you have to write neatly and show it to me. Okay? Good. Okay, children, all of you stand up. Harshni is going to say Kids Anthem today. Come on, all of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Yeah. Ready? Okay, come on, all of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Pranita. While Kids wait ma. If we are going to start Kids Anthem, all of you should stand. Okay? Come on, start, Mahashni.
Dixie Anthem, Yoti Timmy, your infinite, your unique, my potential inside. Today I bless.
You're the wings.
Your wish, many my fly, you by me, my potential inside. Today I bless. Told Mama, I shall achieve my potential inside.
Yes, very good. All of you open your eyes. Good morning, children. Yes, now today we are going to say the name of the months of the year. Okay, and then you are going to jump. Are you all ready for that? Will you all do that? Yes, come on, all of you. Start. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and what is the last month, 12th month? November? December. Very good, children. Very good. Now, all of you, we are going to play a game today. Are you all ready for that? Come on, sit down. Yes, children. Now I have shown you a part of an animal. Okay. Now you find out what animal is this. What animal is this? Anyone? Yes, Dev Krisha.
Yes,
Lion. Is it lion? Okay. Shall we see? Shall we see whether it is lion? Yes. Yeah, good. Okay, very good, very good. High five to your parents, okay? When you say the correct answer, you have to give high five to your parents, whoever is next to you, okay? Next. What is this? Who said it is crocodile? Name? Tell me your name. Nightica. Crocodile. Yes, okay. Crocodile is a what animal? Farm animal or wild animal or amphibian or reptile? Crocodile is a what animal? What animal, ma? Reptile. Very good. Shall we see whether it is a crocodile? If it is crocodile, you will be giving high five. Okay? Yes. How many of you said the right answer? Yeah, good children. Okay, next. Next. What is it? Who is that? Kohli. Vidyuta. Okay. Shall we see what is this? Shall we see? Dun. What is it? Rooster. Okay. Rooster. Okay. I five those who said the right answer. Okay. Next. Silence. Next. What animal is this? Kawa. Huh? Wait, ma. All of you wait. One by one I'll ask. Okay, all of you mute yourself. Mute yourself. Come on. Everyone mute yourself. Pranita, mainly you should mute yourself. Okay. Now I'll ask you one by one. Kavyani, now tell me what animal is this? Huh? Cow. Okay. Naitik, you tell me what animal is this? Wait, ma. I'll call you Zaidi. Wait. Naitik, tell me what animal is this?
Cow.
Cow. Zaidi, you tell me what animal is this?
Ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, Zaidi.
This is.
Huh?
This what is this?
Yeah, tell me what animal is this? You have to say me. Guess. What animal is this?
I don't
No,
know.
you don't know. You can't even guess, Go. Okay, Farnaz, tell me what animal is this? Farnaz, tell me what animal is this? Come on, guess. Guesses only, guess. Tarnika, Hashini. Monkey, yeah? Okay, Tarnika said it's monkey. Hashini? Gorilla. Okay, Ritvik? What is it, ma? Not able to hear you. Cow, Farnaz. Okay, cow, Farnaz. Okay, let me see. Let me show you what animal is this. What is it? All of you said it is cow, no? See, it's a monkey. Okay, next. That's what. You have to observe it properly. What is it? Observe properly and say. Come on. What is it? Yes, ma, Ritvik?
Ma'am, snake.
Snake. Is it a snake? Does it look like a snake's body? I think it looks like a feather. Wings or feather like thing. Snake, no. Anyone? Yes, ma, Satvika.
பரவாயில்ல சொல்லு.
Vulture, okay. Come on, Dev Krish, answer. Vulture, oh my God, children. See the color of it. Which bird will be black in color? Vulture will be black in color. Very good, Ritvik. Ritvik, you said the right answer, I think. See here. It's a crow. That's it, children. You have to watch carefully and say. Yes? And now see here, it's the hair. It's the hair of an animal. Yes? Wow. Guess the answer. Very good. Yes? Very good, children. Okay, next. Okay. Now, whose eye is this? Yes, whose eye is this? Parents, no helping parents. No, they should only think and say, what is it? Whose eye is this? Okay, I'll give you a clue. Okay, this is the amphibian. This is the amphibian. Frog, How many of you say it's frog? Frog. Raise your hands. Frog, Okay, let's see whether it is a frog. Yes? Good. Very good. And now this one. Oh my God. This is the beak of a bird. What bird will have a beak like this? No answers. Come on, guess. Yes? What? Oh. Yes, ma? Eagle. Owl. Karthikeyan, you said owl, right? And Naitik said it's eagle. We'll see. Yes, very good, Karthikeyan. It's an owl. Very good. Next.
Dog.
Yes? What is this?
Dog.
Dog, Yes, ma? Bat. Yes, Darshika, tell me what is that? Something she said. Huh?
Cat.
Cat. Dog. And some more answers? Farnaz, you said something. I can't hear you. What is it? Okay, we'll see the right answer. It's a fox. Darshika. Okay. Now this one is very easy. You're going to find out.
Cat.
Huh? Cheetah. Oh my God. Cheetah, Gala. Okay, we'll see. This is a cat. Very good. Very good. Okay, next. Whose beak is this? Whose beak is this? Come on.
Eagle, ma'am.
Eagle. Nightic said it's eagle. Then unmute and tell me, children. You're all in mute.
Parrot.
Parrot. Ah. Okay. Parrot, eagle. And then any answers? I'm going to show the picture. Any more answers? One minute, children. Let's see. What is the answer? Who said it's eagle?
Eagle.
Who said it's eagle? Nightic. Good nightic. Okay, next. Nose. Nose or mouth, whatever it is. Come on, guess. Someone's parent is helping. I don't know who is that. No parents, please don't help. Okay, let's see whether it is cow. Yes, whoever said the right answer, very good. Okay, next. Next. Satvika, come on, what is this animal? Yes?
Hippopotamus, ma'am.
Very good, Kavyani. Hippopotamus, good.
Watermelon.
Okay, let's see. Hippopotamus, very good, Kavyani, good. Okay, next.
I'm hippopotamus.
Okay, whose ears is this?
What is this, Kavyani? What is this? Huh?
Mickey Mouse.
Who has a ears like this?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse, ah. Mickey Mouse, ah. Okay, let's see. It's not Mickey Mouse, it's only mouse, okay? Mouse, okay, good. Okay, next picture. Next. It's going to be very easy.
Tiger.
Tarnika said it's tiger. Then who else? Pakka tiger only, ah? Shall we see? Shall we see whether it is tiger? Yes, very good. It's a tiger. Good. Next. Then now,
Fish.
fish, ah? Very good, fish. Okay, let's see whether it is fish. Very good. It's a fish. Well done, children. Okay, next. Whose eye is this? Whose eye is this?
Check it.
Meow. Ah. I think Kavyani's dad only is teaching her. Okay, no answer. So ma'am is going to show you. What is it? Chick. It's a chick. Very good. Okay. This we don't want. Okay, this. This is a marine animal we learned last week. What is this? Yeah? Starfish. Wow. Nikhil also. Wow. Okay, very good. Let's see. Yes, very good. It's a starfish. Okay, good. That's it, children. Ma'am is going to come back. Very good, children. Very nice guesses. Next time I'm going to bring you even more tough quiz like this, okay? Okay, good. Now ready for your attendance, children? Today you are going to just say, here I am, no action, anything, okay? Just say, here I am, and we'll finish our attendance today. Darshika.
My name is Dashika. Studying junior KG.
Okay, Devarakshita. No, Devkrish. Devkrish.
I am studying junior KG.
Very good, Devkrish. Danvin. Okay, very good. Dikshan is absent today. Parnas.
Nani, ma'am. I am a Fana, Fatima, Ram, Teddy, Lulu, Daddy, Ford.
Very good, Harshni.
சவுண்டா சொல்லு
My name is Tanya. I'm standing junior KG.
Very good. Yes, Farnaz. I heard you, Farnaz. I heard you, ma. Karthikeyan.
Nani, ma'am. Karthikeyan. Yes, I am. My name is Karthikeyan.
Okay, Kavyani.
What? Hello, Manila ma'am. My name is Kavi Ali. I'm studying in junior KG.
Very good.
4
Nightek.
years old.
Okay, Nightek.
My name is Nancy. I am studying in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good, Pranita. 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 Okay, I'm marking you, Pranita. Rohita. Rohita.
My name is Soitan Farah Samchura KG.
Very good, Rohita. Ritvik.
Ma'am, I am Ritwik.
చూడు అప్పుడు అమ్మ రాస్తుంది చూడు 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 కళ్ళు ఇక్కడ అమ్మ రాస్తుంది.
Very good, Nitila. Nitila.
అమ్మ రాస్తుంది.
Kavyani, mute yourself, Kavyani. Okay, very good, Nitila. Satvika.
My name is Satika K. I'm studying in junior KG. I'm 4 years old.
Very good, Siddharth. Siddharth is absent today. Okay, Tarnika.
My name is Tanika. I am studying in junior KG.
Okay, Vishank. Vishank.
I'm studying.
Vidyut.
I'm 4 years old.
My name is Elayam.
I'm 10, but I'm studying.
Vidyut.
Elayam.
Yeah. Vivan. Vivan.
I just use the wrong G.
Okay, Zadi. Zadi. Zadi.
I am Vanilla ma'am.
Very good, Zadi. Lakshana. Lakshana. Marking you, Lakshana. Okay, thank you so much, children. Today we are going to learn about what all the animals we have learned so far, children. Yeah, Pranita, I marked you, ma. Okay? Today we are going to learn about the animals, what we learned so far. So how many types of animals we learned, children? Come on, tell me how many types of animals we learned. Farm animal. Yes, come on, Dev Krish, answer. Farm animal. Wild animal.
How many types of animals?
Marine animal. Yes, Rohita, mute yourself, ma. I'll call you, okay? Farm animal, wild animal, marine animal, and then what is that? Yes? Reptile, another one. Life cycle of a frog. What is frog? Amphibian. Okay, so all these we learnt. Okay, today we are going to learn a new type of animal. Before that, I'll present you some animal pictures. You have to tell me whether they are wild animal, farm animal, pet animal, or whatever it is. You are going to tell me. Okay, children. Okay, what animal is this? Dog is a marine animal, Tarnika. What, ma? Dog is a pet animal. Okay. Farm animal also you can say. No issues. Okay, next. What is this animal? Lion is a? Lion is a wild animal. Okay, everyone mute yourself. I am going to call one by one and ask you. Please mute yourself. Okay, Pranita, what is this? Pranita. Lion is a? Lion is a farm animal or wild animal?
Wild animal.
Yeah, that you have to say fast, right? Next is Rohita.
Wild animal.
Yes, ma'am, చెప్పు.
What is this? Crocodile is a? Reptile. Reptile, not reptile. Okay. Next is Tarnika. Tarnika. Peacock is a
இங்க இருக்கும் peacock.
bird. Okay, peacock is a bird. Okay, next. Next. Karthikeyan.
Farm animal, ma'am. Cat.
Okay, good. Cat is a farm animal as well as it is a pet animal also. Okay, next. Who is going to say this? Nightic.
Yes,
Nightic.
ma'am.
Come on, tell me, Nightic.
Elephant.
Hmm.
Uh,
What animal, ma? Farm animal, wild animal, marine animal. What is it?
farm animal.
Elephant. Elephant is a farm animal. Wild animal. Elephant is a wild animal. Okay, next. Next, Vivan. Vivan.
What is it?
Parrot is a
Bird, wild animal, for
bird. Very good, Vivan. Next, Zadi. Zadi.
Animal.
Okay, reptile. Okay, lizard is a reptile. Very good, Zadi. Next, it's going to be Danvin. Danvin. Wild. Giraffe, it's a wild animal. Very good. Next, this one, Kavyani.
Rabbit.
Rabbit is a what animal? Farm animal, wild animal, pet animal. What is it? Pet animal. Okay, rabbit is a pet animal. Okay, next. Who is going to say this? Parnas.
Reptile.
Reptile. Tortoise is a reptile. Very good. And then this one, who is going to say? What is this? Crow. Crow is a what is a crow? Crow is a bird. Very good. Okay, today we are going to learn about a new type of animal. What is this, children? What do you see in the screen? Yes, what do you see in the screen? Dinosaurs. See, children, it's called dinosaurs. Okay, dinosaurs are extinct animals. Okay, dinosaurs are extinct animals. Why do we call them as extinct animals? Because they lived many years ago. Okay, now they don't live. They do not exist. Okay, so we call them as extinct animals. Many years ago they were there in our land, but now they do not exist. They do not live. Okay, so they are extinct animals. Okay, and there were many types of dinosaurs. Okay, and they were flying. They were flying type of dinosaurs, bird type of dinosaurs also. And see here, there were dinosaurs. They look like a reptile also. Yes or no, children? Yes, now we see crocodile, right? See here, it also looks like a crocodile. They were also like reptiles. And then here, like marine animals, they lived in water also. Okay, marine animals live in water, right? Likewise, these dinosaurs also lived in water. And then there are some dinosaurs. They were very huge. They had a long neck. Okay, in wild animals, which has a long neck, children? Which has a long neck? Giraffe. Yes, like giraffe. Yeah, like giraffe, there were dinosaurs which had long neck. And there were dinosaurs also which were very dangerous. They used to hunt other animals for their food. They are very dangerous, okay? And then what do dinosaurs do? They used to lay eggs. You can see the eggs of the dinosaurs, okay? So today also we are going to see worksheet regarding dinosaurs only, children, okay? So I want you to take the worksheet D71 CT, okay? I'm going to come back. Be ready with your worksheet D71 CT, okay? And write the date. Today's date is 2/2/22/10/2020. Take your worksheet, write the date and keep it ready. D71 CT. Yes, can you see my screen, children? Can you see my screen? Anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 22 month of October 10. Okay. And then 2020. Here, children, you are going to join the dots. Okay, from 1. Okay, you are going to join the dots from 1. Okay, till 40 you have. So till that number you are going to join. You just join the dots and keep it ready. Afterwards you can color it and send in group. Okay, today you are going to just join the dots. Okay, come on, start joining the dots. It's from 1. Okay, from 1 you are going to join like this: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then you should not go here till the tail, children. Here itself you have to have a cut. 2, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, and then it is 23 here. 23, 24, 25. Sorry, 22 is here. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay? Yes, children, can you understand? Here, you have to join here. Let's just join the dots and take your next worksheet. It's going to be D72 CT. Yes, first worksheet you finished, children?
Fine, ma'am.
Yeah, you finished the next worksheet is D72 CT. You have to match the dinosaurs, okay? Come on, match it, children. It's very easy, match it. Yes, first. This one, then the green dinosaur, then this one which has a hump-like thing on its back, and then this one, and then this one. Finished? Danvin finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Mommy, everyone finished? And then the same you will have D72 CT, another worksheet also you will have. We'll finish it off with that also. That is, you have to find which is different in each row. Circle the odd dinosaur in each row. Odd means different. Whichever is different, you are going to circle. Odd means it's different, okay? See which is different here and circle in each row. Row wise you have to go, children, okay? Go by row wise. Here, in this 4, which is different? Danvin, which is different? Come on, find out and tell me. Yes, ma?
Dot.
Show me your book. In your book, you show me which is different. Yes, good. Second one, okay? So we'll circle the second one. Very good. Okay, next, Zadi. Next row, which is different. Next row, which is different, Zadi.
எல்லாம் green.
Yes, find out which is different. Zadi. Okay, Hashni, tell me, ma, which is different.
Different. Which one different? Circle.
Second row, which is different. Show me in your book.
Which one? Show.
Second row, which is different. Show me in your book.
Fine. This one.
Yeah, good. Good. Okay, we'll circle, okay? This one, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now the third row. This Darshika is going to say. Darshika. Darshika, tell me which is different in this row.
Only different this one. This row.
Which is different in the third row.
Which one different in the second row?
Darshika or Nightek, anyone tell me?
Different. Different.
Which one, ma? Show me in your book.
These are
Show me in your third one. Okay, we'll circle
green color,
the
green color, this one blue color.
third one. Very good, Shika. Okay, next. Fourth row, which is different. Fourth row, Nightek.
Third row.
Yeah, which is different in the fourth row? Which is different here? First one, second one, third one, or fourth one? Which is different? Which one? You are asking, ah? Look at your book. Which is different in that row?
This one.
Which one? First one or second one?
Second one, no, correct.
That's it. What happened, Nightek? Show me in your book. Show me in your book.
the book can't show.
This.
That is first one, no? Then why are you saying it's second one? First one. Okay. Very good, children. Finished, everyone? Shall we move on to the next worksheet? Yes, Karthikeyan finished, huh?
Finished, ma'am. Finished.
Very good, Kavyani. Good. Okay, take the next worksheet is D71LT. Okay. Take the next worksheet, children. D71LT. Here you are going to first trace the letters, then color the objects that starts with the same letter sound. Same letter or sound, okay? So here we have W and X. So first trace it, children. Nightek.
Ma'am.
Come on, write properly, Nightek. I'm going to ask you only. What happened to you nowadays, Nightek? Yes. Nightek, W for strawberry or W for watermelon? What will you do? What will you circle? First finish circling and then we'll color. W for
W for strawberry.
W for strawberry or W for watermelon?
W for watermelon.
Very good. W for watermelon. Circle it, children. Then you can color. Okay. And then next is X. Kavyani, X for sun or X for X-ray? X for sun or X for X-ray?
Yes, X for sun and X for X-ray.
Which will come? Which is the right answer? X for?
X-ray.
Very good, Kavyani. X for X-ray. Good. Next is Ritvik. Are you there? Ritvik. Ritvik is there? W for wolf or W for axe? Which will come? W for? Yes, ma?
What is the name?
What is that? Wolf or axe? W for? Wolf. That is wolf. Okay. W for wolf. Very good, Ritvik. Okay, next. X for table or X for Xmas tree? Darshika. X for table or X for Xmas tree? Darshika? Darshika? Which will come? X for table or X for Xmas tree?
Xmas tree.
Very good, Darshika. Xmas tree. And now start coloring, children. Hope you have circled everything. Now start coloring neatly.
மேம் லட்சணா மேம்
Yeah, Lakshana.
மேம் லட்சணா பண்ணுங்களா புக்ல
Yes, you can do. You have the kit means you can do. Still you didn't do,
இல்ல எந்த இது எந்த பார்ட் புக் மேம் அதுல
Part 2 book.
பார்ட்
Part 2 bookல நீங்க இல்ல லக்ஷனா அம்மா நீங்க வந்து Part 2 bookல கான்செப்ட் ஒர்க் ஷீட்ஸ் மட்டும் பண்ணுங்க. இப்ப நான் உங்களுக்கு டைனோசர் ஒர்க் ஷீட்லாம் காமிச்சேன் இல்லைங்களா? அதெல்லாம் பண்ணுங்க. இதெல்லாம் பண்ணலாம் நீங்க.
ஓகே
இப்ப லெட்டர்ஸ் வந்து நீங்க 1 by 1 தான் முடிச்சிட்டு வரணும்.
ஓகே மேம்
கான்செப்ட் ஒர்க் ஷீட்ஸ் இப்ப பண்ண சொல்லுங்க. டைனோசர்ஸ் மேட்ச் பண்றது, கலரிங் பண்றதுலாம் இப்ப பண்ண சொல்லுங்க. நம்பர் வந்து D72. புக்கோட எண்ட்ல இருக்கும். Worksheet number is D72CT. Nithila, you are also doing, Nithila?
No, ma'am.
No, okay. You can do all these concept sheets. There's no issues.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Children, those who finish, you can continue coloring. You can color that watermelon and all we circle. No, that you can color. And next, you left out with that dinosaur, right? You can color that dinosaur also. Yes? Lakshana, you want me to show this sheet or you will do on your own? You got that worksheet? கிடைச்சதுங்களா worksheet? Book 2, work book 2ல இருக்கும் பாருங்க. நல்லா லாஸ்ட் வரும். லக்ஷனா அம்மா லாஸ்டா எடுத்தீங்கன்னா கொஞ்சம் பேஜ்ல இது வரும். இந்த பேஜ் வரும். லாஸ்ட் போகணும் நீங்க. புக் லாஸ்ட் இவ்வளவுதான் இருக்கும். லாஸ்ட்ல இருந்து பாருங்க. இங்க இருக்கும் புக் ஒர்க் ஷீட் நம்பர் இங்க இருக்கும் கீழே. தெரியுதுங்களா? இங்க கீழே இருக்கும் ஒர்க் ஷீட்டோட நம்பர் D72CT அப்படின்னு நீங்க கீழே எழுதிருக்கும். நீங்க நல்லா பேக் வரணும் பேஜ். லாஸ்ட்ல இருந்து பாருங்க. Got it, Lakshana? Show me that book which you are having, Lakshana's mom. Okay, book 2.
ஆனா இந்த பேஜ் லாஸ்ட் பேஜ்ல 61 ஓட முடியுது மேம்.
இல்ல 61 இல்ல. இந்த புக் 2 எடுத்தீங்களா?
அந்த புக் தான் நானும் எடுத்திருக்கேன் பார்ட் 2.
லாஸ்ட்ல என்ன இருக்கு? காட்டுங்க, எனக்கு ஓபன் பண்ணி காட்டுங்க.
லாஸ்ட் 61 மேம்.
அவ்வளவுதான் இருக்குங்களா? புக் 3 இருக்குங்களா? அதை எடுத்து பாருங்க. அதுல பாருங்க இருக்கான்னு.
இதுல D77ல இருந்து தான் ஸ்டார்ட்டே ஆகுது.
D77. ஓகே, I'll check and tell you. உங்களுக்கு நான் செக் பண்ணிட்டு எதுக்கும் ஒரு வாட்டி சொல்றேன் உங்களுக்கு. புக் 1ல ஆனா எதுவும் இல்ல இல்லைங்களா? செக் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? நீங்க மீட்டிங் முடிஞ்ச அப்புறம் கொஞ்சம் வெயிட் பண்றீங்களா லட்சணா அம்மா?
ஓகே மேம்.
செஷன் முடிஞ்ச உடனே வெயிட் பண்ணுங்களேன், நான் சொல்றேன் உங்களுக்கு கரெக்ட்டா.
ஓகே ஓகே.
Okay, children, I'm going to stop sharing. Children, you can start coloring. How many of you finished coloring? Coloring, studies, coloring. Ritvik, why ma you don't want to color? Rashika, coloring. Good. Dinosaur, color the dinosaur also with green. Color the dinosaur with green. Okay? Color it with green. Come on, children. What are dinosaurs? Are they wild animals, farm animal? What animal they are? They are? Who knows? Come on, tell me. Dinosaurs are extinct animals. Okay, hereafter, what are dinosaurs? If anybody is asking you, you have to say dinosaurs are extinct animals. Okay? And there are two more animals also that I'll teach you tomorrow, children. Finish coloring?
Finish, ma'am.
Okay, parents, how many of you have submitted your milestones?
Oh, no.
How many of you have submitted your milestones?
Ma'am, I think bid.
You nightic
Ma'am,
did,
nightic. Yes,
okay,
ma'am.
very good. Okay. Only nightic, others? Every Tarnika finished, okay. Only milestone.
What is the ma'am? I don't understand.
Milestone book, I said, no? Milestone book. You got a message also in group that you have to submit in the school milestone books.
Milestone.
Yeah.
Ma'am, how to submit the book, ma'am? Milestone book.
If you are here, you can go and submit in the school.
No, ma'am. I'm not in
If you are
Chennai.
not here, then keep it with you. No issues.
Okay.
If you are
Okay.
in Chennai, you can go to a school and submit it.
Milestone book Amma.
And then how many of you have got your Imagine kits? How many of you have got your Imagine kit?
Imagine.
Imagine kit.
Red color dinosaur के green color है अम्मा. Green. Black green है अम्मा dinosaur के.
Nobody has got a Imagine kit.
Tomorrow we will get ma'am.
Okay. In that also we have that dinosaurs, different types of dinosaurs that we have to first color. For that you have to install that Imagine app. Kidsy Imagine app you have to install, and it shows the 3D image, how the dinosaur will move, how it will sound, like that, and all it will show. So once you get the kit, no, please let me know, parents. I'll tell you what to do.
Imaginary.
You will get crayons along with that, and you will get instruction paper also, how to install that app and all. Okay. So when you get the kit, you please let me know. Whoever gets the kit, please let me know. I think nobody has got that kit. Imagine kit.
Ma'am, Imagine app, I have Imagine app, ma'am, my mobile.
Imagine app you have, but you don't have Imagine kit, right?
No.
Do you have that also?
Imaginary kids are in the college.
I don't know,
Imagine
ma'am.
kit.
What type of kit, ma'am? I don't know.
Last time when she was studying in nursery, she would have got that Imagine kit, no? Likewise, for junior KG also, we have an Imagine kit. Full of dinosaurs only in that. They have to color, and they'll have 2 puzzles also in that. So for that only I am asking. And Hindi books and Tamil books are also available in school. You can go and get it. Yes, Hindi books. Pranita, please mute yourself, ma Pranita. 1 minute, I will finish. Okay? Hindi books and Tamil books are available in school, so you can go and get it. Okay? Along with that, get the Imagine kit also. So whoever are here in Chennai, you can go and get it. Courier, we don't know. You can call our center head and you can ask. Okay? Yeah, if possible, you can send the milestone also in courier, if possible. If it takes so long time to come back, you can send it in courier also. Finish, Danvin? Very good. Very good. Danvin finished. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you
there is
can you courier imaginary kit, ma'am? Imagine kit.
Imagine kit, and you also need the Hindi books also, right?
No, Tamil book, ma'am.
Tamil book also, right? Okay, we'll ask Uma. Uma ma'am, is it possible, Uma ma'am? Uma ma'am? She'll be contacting you, ma'am. She'll contact you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, sure,
Okay.
ma'am. Sure.
Yeah, she'll contact you, or else you contact her and ask whether if it
Okay.
is possible or not. And if it's possible, also you can send that milestone also.
Okay,
It is
okay,
taking
ma'am.
a
Thank
long time to come back. You can
Yeah.
send the milestone
yeah.
also.
Sure.
Yeah,
Sure,
thank you. Others also go get the Imaginikit, Tamil books, Hindi books. Okay, everything is there in our school. You can go and get it. Okay, parents? Yes, children, I want you to finish all
Okay,
these
ma'am.
sheets and I want you to WhatsApp in the group. Okay, coloring sheet, that is the dinosaur sheet, and another sheet you are finishing now, right? That is watermelon sheet W and X. That you take a snap and send it to me. Okay, children, thanks for your cooperation. Bye, children. Very good, Kartikeyan. Nice.
Bye, ma'am.
Yeah, bye.